You can create stunning looking blogs using your EzyCourse platform. Here's an example of one here. You can see it looks incredible. Everything is split into different categories here that you can browse through along the top. There's a search bar at the top as well that people can search through content. Now, we're going to have a look in this lesson at how to manage the blogs on your EzyCourse site. So over on the EzyCourse dashboard, here we've got a list of the blogs that we've created, and you can see it's very easy to create a new blog here. Just give it a title. You can choose whether users comment on the blog. You can choose whether the date is published with the blog as well. And here you've got this text editor here, which is really simple to use. And actually, as you start completing your blog and using titles and text, it will create an outline for your blog. Now here you can add short descriptions. You can choose to schedule the publish date of a blog for the future. You can categorize blogs. So remember, when we're looking at the blog, those categories along the top, that's where you choose those. And also you can sell your blogs as well. So individually you can sell blogs. You can sell blogs as kind of a membership thing as well. So in fact, we're going to do that. We're going to turn one of these blogs. We'll choose this one here, and we're going to turn it into a premium blog, and we're going to say that's £20, and when you pay your £20 you get access to it for 30 days. Okay, so we'll click on update for that. So this is a great way of selling white papers or research or premium content that you want to include on your blog. So let's have a look back on the blog again and see how that premium blog looks like from a user perspective. So we're back on our blog page just here, and the premium blog is this one. We made this one into a premium blog. So notice how I can still see the blog's existence, but when I click on read more, I just get that image, and then it says here to access the content I must first make a purchase, and then I go through to the shopping cart. So it's a great way of using and building more revenue on your site. Blogs are great to have public facing. They drive eyeballs and traffic to your site. So definitely that's worth looking at. But having some premium blogs in there to get that additional bit of revenue is a nice additional thing for you to consider.